Okay.
Nani ako na NTV? NTV ni wewe? Sorry.
Joyce has left us a very devastated nation, county, and family. 2 months ago, I had a long chat with Joyce, and she didn't show any signs that it was going to come to this in 2 very short months before she left for London and finally for India, and before she was brought back home. It is a situation that confounds all of us, that yet again we have lost one of us, a courageous, hardworking, very progressive woman leader in Kenya. As we all know, Joyce was among the pioneer elected governors in the Republic of Kenya. And she won against many odds. She demonstrated beyond doubt that she was made of very good metal. The husband, Edwin here, has been very special because Edwin and the rest of the family have been by Joyce's side all the while. And I'm sure that when finally Edwin speaks, the country will know what Edwin has been to Joyce Laboso over the so many years that they have been married and they brought up this family. So from all of us, because of the pain, when I came here on Sunday to see Joyce, we had a chat, and she was conscious. She asked me about what was going on in Bomet. She asked me about whether she could go home. And with Edwin here, we told her everything was under control and all she needed to do was to look after herself and give opportunity to doctors to look after her. Unfortunately, today, Joyce has left. With the amount of pain that she was going through, with the level of medicine that she had to be given so that she can overcome the pain, I think God has finally rested Joyce. And the family, we want to thank the family in a very special way. They have been very strong. The 2 sons, the sisters, the brothers, the cousins, the nephews, they've all been very strong behind Edwin Abonyo, who is the spouse of Joyce Laboso. I did have a discussion earlier on this morning with His Excellency the President about Joyce. And I want to say that when this situation arose, His Excellency the President has personally been involved in every step as we moved Joyce from here to London, from London to India, and from India back here. And Mr. Abonyo here and the family know what the government of Kenya, through His Excellency the President, has done and has committed to do for this family and for Joyce. So we have informed His Excellency the President about this situation, and the government of Kenya will work with the family to see to it that Joyce Laboso is given a send-off that befits a servant, a people's person, and a leader of Joyce's courage. I must say that the many years Joyce has lived and battled with cancer is testimony of her courage and resilience. In fact, many people did not know what was going on with Joyce because she was brave and she didn't allow situations to get in her way as she served the people of Bomet, earlier on as a member of parliament and later as governor. And therefore, it's my pleasure to speak on behalf of this family and to tell the rest of Kenya that we know there is an overflowing sympathy and goodwill messages to the family of Mr. Abonyo and the Labosos. And on their behalf, we want to thank many people who have shown their support and send condolences and sympathies to this family, and of course to the people of Bomet. So I think we leave it there for now. I think you will get more information as this situation progresses. And we are going to give you details of the committee that will handle this situation going into the future.